Hello my darling, I hope you're well. This morning I'm making myself a high protein breakfast smoothie. High in protein, fiber and some carbs. So I'm gonna start off with some blackberries. I'm gonna add some blueberries. I will be adding some peaches. I'm gonna be adding some bananas. I will be adding 1 scoop of collagen powder, protein powder. It's doing 1 scoop. Today will be my day off from the gym. So I did a heavy leg and glute workout yesterday, so I really need the protein to help with my recovery. Too much. A bit of yogurt. I aim to blend everything in this one little container. Let's see how that goes. Some good old Quaker oats. Not a lot. Gonna drizzle it like that. A bit of almond like that. Just a little. Now I will go in with my Vitamix Immersion blender, and I'm gonna start with the first, setting level 1. This is a real powerhouse. So there we go. Let me do the taste test. I love the taste of it. I love the viscosity. This is a powerhouse. It's going to keep me full for long, and it's going to help with my recovery with the high protein. Also gonna give me some energy that I need, but not an overkill.